I would much rather test 100 things on a super small scale than go all in on one and hope that it's the thing. For a lot of people, that's fatal. Like, that's their one bet. Find a way to get started without spending anything. I think there's always a smaller way to get started. I think when to his case, you might have an idea and then you go off and you spend $1,000, $10,000, whatever, $50,000, I don't know. But then it's not the thing. Like, it may not work out, you may not love it either. And so I always like spending my time, energy, hustle before I put resources, financial resources into it, right? So even when I started my YouTube channel, I did everything myself, and I borrowed gear from my friends, and I had friends come in and film me before I ever hired a Jason or a Danny or anybody else to help me with even though I had sold my business and I had made money and I had 8 people on my team in a different business now, but I started this all by myself. And then you see what you like, because a lot of the things that you want to try, you won't like doing. It won't be the fit. And then you've got $40,000 worth of e-cigarettes sitting in your...
It was a magnetic planter. Literally, it was a floating planter. And I ordered 10,000, something like, I don't know how much I spent. Like, a bunch of money. I was all pumped, drop shipping, Shopify. I had no audience to sell it to. Big mistake. And then I brought the sample in. My mom didn't even want it. She's like, I don't even want it. I'm like, well, I can't even give this away. So I got too excited, I should order 10.
Yeah, and just see, right? And if you like it.
Like 1,000. Oh, it's bad.
Can I ask you one thing?
Yeah.
Actually, I think we can find a way to, if you want, you can find a way to sell them through Amazon. Maybe not as he wouldn't make as much as profit as he would selling it to an audience that actually want it, but he can actually make the money back through Amazon. Yeah.
Flea markets, too.
Sure. I mean, that's what he's trying to do. He's trying to do Amazon FBA. That's what he's trying to sell. But it's not ultimately, sure, get out of it, liquidate it, whatever. You don't want to do it. It's not your long-term thing. So how you deal with the next 1 month, awesome. But you want to figure out the bigger thing going forward. So I would much rather test 100 things on a super small scale than go all in on one and hope that it's the thing.
Actually, I want to quote from Edson, Thomas Edison. We all know him. He used to start small, and he made thousands of innovations, but most of them failed. Mm-hmm. But from those thousands of innovations and experiments, even one of them worked properly was the light bulb, and that light bulb made him a lot of money.
Sure.
So, and he also brought value to the society, which I think personally that it is important that we try everything out. I agree with you.
So if this guy drops, tons of cash on some idea, and then it doesn't work, for a lot of people that's fatal. Like, that's their one bet. You mortgage your home to go all in on this one thing, and then that's it, and then you're screwed for the next 20 years paying off this giant debt of magnetic planters that you can't sell.
They floated in midair. They floated in midair. They floated.
Right?
So it was crazy.
That's the problem. That's how most people operate. And then that one idea may work, but chances are it won't. So I want to be testing a bunch of different things to see not just what works, but what I feel connected to, what I love doing. And then as I start making money, I invest it back into growing the channel or growing the business.
And that big problem too is I didn't have an audience to sell to. I just made it, and I was like, you have the store, everything's great, but I would say build the audience first. And then kind of build the product based on what that audience wants. You know what I mean? Because overbuilding the audience, you'll find out nuances within that niche that you have an opportunity for, and then you can build on a small scale towards that audience.
I mean, it depends on the business model, but yes, just start. Just start. If you want to spend some one-on-one time with me, I have a special offer happening right now. Go check out the website right next to me. Continue to believe, and I'll see you there.